In the age of high-rise buildings, it's difficult to imagine how this majestic palace once dominated the riverfront skyline of Dhaka. Nowadays, people from all over the world come to visit this popular tourist attraction in the bustling old city.
আমরা যাব হচ্ছে আহসান মঞ্জিল।
টিকিট কত?
20 টাকা করে।
হ্যাঁ আমি জানি আমি দেখছি। So we almost got stuck at the counter here because the rates that you see on the notice board, it says 20 taka for Bangladeshi people, and as you know, I'm from the UK, so the rates for foreigners are 500 taka. We just got in for 20 taka each. So hey guys, we are here at this wonderful iconic place of Dhaka, also known as the Pink Palace. In the middle of all these surrounding buildings and the hustle and bustle of old Dhaka, and on the banks of the Buriganga River, lies this beautiful architecture. So this building you see behind me is called Ahsan Manzil, and it's actually one of the official palaces owned by the Nawab of Dhaka, and this is his residential place. So we're gonna go on top of the stair and just get some good footage from there. Just follow me around. So this whole palace was owned by the Nawab family of Dhaka, and Nawab Abdul Ghani built this in the 19th century as his official family residence. He named this palace after his son Nawab Ahsanullah, hence the name Ahsan Manzil. This is an interesting piece of architecture as it combines a European design with hints of Mughal characteristics. So just at the top of the palace here, and this is the top part here, and behind me you can see the river, Buriganga River on the other side, there's Karaniganja on the other side, and then there's all the ports, all the boats. After the demise of the Nawab family, the government took over this place and then turned it into a museum. This is now part of the National Museum of Bangladesh.